frenzy indeed. And joining me from New York City is Savio Chan. He's president and CEO of U.S.-China Partners, a business development firm. He's also co-author of the book China's Super Consumers: What 1 Billion Customers Want and How to Sell It to Them. And so we'll start right there. What are the Chinese buying? Are these big ticket items? And are there substantial savings on Double 11 Day?
Yes, for sure. All these vendors and all these merchants are putting the best-selling items in the lowest price on this Double 11 Day, from iPhones to fashion to apparel to cosmetics to all these exclusive products. Not only are exclusive, it's also the lowest price point. And a lot of times, even iPhone can pre-sell their iPhones in $14 million in the first, before the pre-sales is going on. So all of them, from whatever you can imagine, is being on sale here.
Are we seeing any difference in the geography of these sales? Is it mostly in sort of first-tier cities, or is it really evenly spread across China?
Well, this year is a new difference. This year, one of the theme is called New Business and New Actions. And what they do is they're pushing all the sales now besides the first and second-tier city, like Guangzhou, Shanghai, and Beijing, to second and third and fourth-tier city. And this year is the first time they see all these, more than half the sales of this Double 11 sales day came from the third and fourth-tier city, which is the rural area, which normally they cannot buy all these products very easily, but through this special promotion and sales, they can get all these products at the best price possible.
So is that part of what's driving this? I mean, we've got these record-setting numbers. Alibaba says a 27% increase in its platform over last year. What are some of the driving factors?
There's a few driving factors. The first one is going into the third and fourth-tier cities. And the second factor is the first time they're being opened up to countries like Turkey and other countries that are not being invited before, and now they can all participate in this frenzy for this Double 11 Day. So besides the third and fourth tier city, which many of the Chinese super consumers are actually living and buying things for the first time and buying more products, those people, they travel less out of the country, and they depend on all these promotions to get the best deal going. So combining those two factors, the sales grow.
You've got now 1 billion people plus shopping online, on smartphones, on apps, being influenced by these influencers. You mentioned Turkey, but most Americans, and indeed the West, know nothing about these sales, know nothing about Singles Day or Double 11. Why is that, and do you think that'll change?
Well, there has been a low awareness about American, in general, consumers knowing about what's happening in China. Chinese, on the other hand, they know a lot is going on in America. They read about it, they study it. So, but if things are going to change, you will see local retailers like Macy's and Brooks Brothers actually are converting their sales from veteran sales into single-day sales today. So they're participating and giving them special discount on today. So leveraging both the veteran day sales, combining with the single sales. So I think the awareness is starting to build. And of course, now people are 24/7. They can see the internet. Now they know more and more about Alibaba and other platforms like JD and Pinduoduo. So they really will be aware. So I think it's being educated right now, all the U.S. consumers.
Savio Chan from U.S.-China Partners, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.